everyone, it's Milk. Today I'm going to show you something called clutchless shifting. I'm just gonna call it CS for short. What? So anyway, from the name, obviously it means shifting your gear up without having to hold in your clutch. I bet many of you already know this, but let's say if you're as noob as me, you can learn it from here today. And just a bit of warning first, it's definitely not healthy for your gear. You can try it for fun, but don't always do it, or it's going to spoil your gearbox, and gearboxes are not easy to fix, man. It costs a lot. So anyway, you see I'm in gear 2 now. So you have to put a bit of outward pressure on your gear first. So put your foot under your gear and give it a bit of pressure outwards. And then you close your throttle. You see I'm in gear 3 now. Once you close your throttle, it will go up, then you can throttle again straight away. So I'm going to show it to you again. I hope you can see my gear indicator here. So gear 3 now. Okay, I'm not holding my clutch, okay. So gear 4 now, right? Okay, let me go to gear 3. Okay, my hand is here, not holding on to my clutch. So close my throttle, gear 4. So it's that simple. And I don't know how come I managed to find it out only now. But I learned it yesterday by accidentally doing it. So you can have a bit of fun with it, but try not to do it too often. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thanks and bye.